Technology is sometimes more than comfort or entertainment, more than fascination and progress. Sometimes it concerns something even more significant, namely health. For example, when a vital organ, such as the kidney, fails. This is when innovative technologies open up a better future for many chronically ill people. Because for chronic kidney failure, metabolic waste products have to be removed through regular blood filtering, namely dialysis. Some of the most successful dialysis products come from here, Stankt Wendel. This town in Germany is home to one of the major plants of Fresenius Medical Care, the leading global provider of products and services for people with chronic kidney failure. This is where we produce dialyzers for hemodialysis and bag systems for peritoneal dialysis. After its founding in 1974, the plant quickly developed into one of the Fresenius Group's key technology centers, a place where research, development, and production go hand in hand. The early 1980s saw the achievement of a milestone in dialysis technology, the polysulfone membrane. Globally, almost half of kidney replacement solutions use a polysulfone dialyzer made by Fresenius Medical Care. Highest quality raw materials from leading manufacturers form the basis of all the products. All are produced to stringent specifications, some of them on an exclusive basis for the Stankt Wendel plant, and subsequently processed using an innovative process. The crucial aspect here is knowing every aspect of your process, which is the key to ensuring the product is made to the required quality. Only by knowing all the ins and outs of the process can any deviations or fluctuations be minimized and an optimal end product produced every time. And our technicians know their process, because they are the ones who developed it from the bottom up, starting with the key element, the annular gap nozzle, which lies at the heart of the spinning process. This is where the polysulfone spin solution and the precipitant are used to create hollow fibers. The side wall of each fiber has a superfine pore structure. A bundle of around 10,000 fibers later forms the filter membrane of a dialyzer with a filter area of 1.4 square meters. To manufacture the capillaries, innovative process engineering solutions are required. The most significant technical solutions we have produced in recent years were nano-controlled spinning technology, micro-ondulation, and then the most recently developed H-spin technology. This method allows us to considerably enhance the cleaning performance of the filter, the so-called clearance. That makes it possible to adjust the pore structure of the capillaries very precisely to the size of the molecules to be filtered out. Well, you must realize that with dialysis, you rely on the ability to eliminate the uremic toxins, the poisonous substances found in the blood of dialysis patients. These are small, or to use the terminology of dialysis, medium molecules, which we want to eliminate as far as possible. But molecules essential for life, such as albumin, must of course remain in the blood. This is only possible when we adjust the membrane to ensure as sharp a separation pattern as possible, small and medium out, and leave the large ones in. This principle is also known as the selectivity of the membrane. This is what enhances the performance of our fibers. Following the spinning process, they undergo multiple rinsing stages and are then dried in the drying chambers with warm air. This happens as part of an inline process. All process steps are carried out using a single system. Nowadays, most of the processes are automated, which means the products can be manufactured in a very uniform manner. This enables you to achieve consistently high quality while at the same time manufacturing products as economically as possible. The ready-cut membrane emerges for the dialyzer production. Micro-ondulation applies a kind of corrugation, which keeps the individual fibers in the bundle at a certain distance. This ensures that the fibers will be uniformly exposed to the dialysis solution, facilitating the dispersal of metabolic toxins that have been filtered out. Next comes the assembly of the dialyzers. Not only the filter membranes, but also the majority of dialyzer components are produced on site in Stankt Wendel and put together on fully automated production lines. Several different specialist departments are involved in the development of these processes. Various disciplines working in close coordination is one of our key strengths and a guarantee of our high product quality, because our teams develop and manage the entire production up to the sterilization process. With inline steam sterilization, the blood and dialysis side of the filter is exposed to steam heated to over 121 degrees Celsius, about 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This enables flushing of the filter and sterilization. The end result is a filter free of residues from the sterilizing agent or the procedure itself. And so we have control of everything that can impact on the quality of our products. From key system parts, including the technologies deployed, production process parameters, right up to the finished product. Everything is fully checked by our specialists. During the production process, it's important to perform the process steps in line with strictly checked and validated boundaries. The most critical procedures are continually monitored using automated checking devices. Naturally, our employees also perform a monitoring role. And this not only applies to our hemodialysis products. For peritoneal dialysis too, we produce dialysis solutions with user-friendly and secure bag systems. For this purpose, we use only raw materials checked for purity. They are automatically weighed and added with distillate to solutions. Accordingly, we guarantee that they can be continually combined precisely and consistently. The bag systems consist of a plastic material specially developed in-house, biofine. The basic materials of biofine, all of which are environmentally friendly polyolefins such as polypropylene, are fused and bonded in a special extrusion device into a film or tubes. These consist of up to 7 different plastic layers and are toxicologically harmless, free of PVC and softening agents, transparent and non-tear but still flexible. In addition, biofine can be sterilized with superheated steam. This is particularly crucial since the treatment is actually administered within the patients. The bag system must be simple and safe to handle, and the sterility must be continually guaranteed, even when changing the solution. Well, the reason sterility is so crucial is that the abdominal cavity only contains a few defense mechanisms, which would have the task of killing off any relevant bacteria. This means peritonitis is a relatively serious illness for patients on peritoneal dialysis. With the disc system, we have actually established a system that allows us to considerably enhance quality and improve patient safety. The disc is the core element of our bag system. Via this central connector, patients can easily control all steps of their treatment by themselves. The disc defines the sequence and protects against operating errors. A great boost for safety standards, thanks to a small element that encapsulates exceptional progress in development and craftsmanship. What spurs on the team is knowing that we have the ability here to develop products for chronically ill patients, and from a technical perspective, it is naturally a huge challenge. If you just take the example of the disc, which consists of up to 10 individual parts, it involves producing a product in-house via the injection molding process, assembling it, and then ensuring further requirements are met so it can subsequently be sterilized using superheated steam. These are some of the enormous challenges you encounter when developing products like this, and the only reason we are able to solve them is because, in our teams, we can work very closely together over the entire processing and development chains. We work continuously to ensure seamless teamwork between every department and division in our plant. Logistics are closely meshed with every production area. And because they are linked to the beginning and end of every production chain, logistics help guarantee the efficiency and reliability of our manufacturing and delivery processes. Intelligent systems guide the delivery of raw and component materials from the warehouse. Automated forklifts precisely navigate their way through the facility to get cargoes to the right place exactly when they're needed. Everything is directed from the control station, from where we monitor the entire logistics chain around the clock.
Unsere Monitore zeigen uns
Our
alle.
monitors show all the logistical processes so that we can see what is happening and where it is happening. In the control station, there is always at least one employee on duty to oversee all the logistical processes. This is crucial because our production processes must not be disrupted. We have about 30,000 pallet racks here, which we use to move more than 1 million pallets per year. That is a very big number, but we can handle it thanks to our high degree of automation.
Automatisierung bewältigen.
Automatic loading systems are also used to ensure the safe loading and unloading of materials. The warehouse is 38 meters high, 125 feet, and holds all the raw materials and packaging materials that are used, as well as outgoing goods. 9 loading and unloading stations receive and sort incoming materials, and also dispatch our finished products on their way to patients. This is how every department at our production site is working for people's health. We work to tailor every aspect of our development for health in an exemplary manner. The technologies developed here are supplied to many international subsidiaries. We train new employees and promote the highest qualifications for our existing workforce. Our factory complies with the ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 quality standards. We are also regularly inspected by the American Health Authority, the FDA, for compliance with GMP guidelines, which are the gold standard in the medical device sector. Our environmental management also meets the most stringent requirements and is certified in accordance with ISO 14001. This means, for example, that when manufacturing fibers, the solvents that are used are purified in an on-site regeneration system and then recycled back into the production process. It is an active contribution to protecting the environment. Because health is something holistic, something important and very valuable, something to which our plant is committed. Fresenius, the healthcare group.